What's up guys, simple video on how to make a Jersey club type beat. First of all, you need a kick. Follow this drum pattern. 1 1 1 bop 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 bop. Just the kick. It's bouncing already. Now what we need, second is the gun cock. You can get this from any Reddit Jersey club drum kit. Just type in Jersey club drum kit and you will get it at the cock in. It's already fired. Add like a rim or a clap or a snare. Just put it right here and you get the bop bop. Alright, what we need to do, add an open hat to make it more bouncy. And then add a stomp to add some variations. Vocal loop here. Add some variations to this. And then grab a sample, grab MJ Rock With You. I just added an EQ to remove all the bass. And then let's hear the song. Alright, that's it.